Hi, my name is Anika. Today we're going to ask my grandfather few questions. So I also want to show you something that it's about also coronavirus. I would ask my grandfather. So now I drew a few coronaviruses. So coronavirus don't look like that. I kept a smile because it was happy that it's killing everyone. And I wrote that so if we have so we have to fight with the coronavirus, and the corona will get angry. It will think that we won and will go. So that's what we have to do. We have to stay at home and fight the coronavirus. Let's go on. So I wanted to ask you today, if there is coronavirus, right? So I'm thinking that government can tell us something that for kids also, that we can also go and play outside and all, but we have to be 6 feet far and all. So why can't they tell like that for kids? We are forgetting the kids.
Yes, the government has to give this type of instructions to all sections of the people. Children also are asked to restrain, quarantine in their houses for quite some time. And later, when it is relaxed, it is true what you asked, that children should be asked that they can play but with a distance. But there is a problem. Children will forget sometimes and come closer. They should not come closer and play. If the government doesn't say, the parents are saying. The government has forgotten about the children. Yes.
And also, for the grown-ups, they're working very hard for just to tell everyone that coronavirus is there, we have to stay at home, be careful and all. So the government can say one rule that everyone has to stay at home and we have to like take care of our own selves. No one is there to help us like that. The government can say, right?
Yes, that is on the part of the uh, government that they ask the people to take care of. And on behalf of the government, from various departments, the doctors, the police, and other different sections of the people, they explain to people to be careful. And people also, while they talk to each other, they also tell that the distance should be maintained, all care should be taken so that the COVID will not be attracted towards the people. So this type of thing is necessary, and government on its part has to say. It's the main responsibility of the government to warn the people, to guide the people, to help the people during this type of crisis.
Oh, so then if the kids are getting bored at home and their parents and grandparents are not allowing them to go outside and get coronavirus and going to go doctor and dying and all. So why are they not letting the children go out?
Kids,
Yeah.
yes, naturally, still, corona is very dangerous. Every day, more and more cases are coming. Because the lockdown was continued for more than 60 days till now, the life has to start again. Small business, medium type of industries, and other type of activities, these are all to be started. That is why they say that wherever there is a possibility of coming closer to each other. For example, in cinema halls, people sit very nearby. In schools, people sit very nearby. And in temples, people come in a very large number and there will be no place to maintain the physical distance and all that. So that's why kids are asked, wait for some more time. That is for your safety, the government and departments and the parents are saying kids should be more careful because the immunity among the children is comparatively less than the elders. So children should be much more careful than their elders.
And if the grandparents had something very important and it was in another country and many other people also had like that and the grandparents didn't know and once everyone signed very nearby, what will happen?
See, people, almost everybody knows now how the corona is getting affected. But some people are sometimes careless. People have to travel. There is no other goal. Inside the town, inside the village, everywhere. In the villages, the peasants and agriculture labor has to go to their fields. In the towns, people have to go to purchase the essential commodities, vegetables, food grains, etc. And the traders have to go to the wholesale market and bring it for the people. And there will be many more people who will be traveling longer distances to meet their family, to go and join in a job and all that. Sometimes, if they are careful, they may escape. But even if they are careful, sometimes, unfortunately, COVID may come. But if the people doesn't understand the danger of the corona, it will certainly have an effect not only on them, it will have effect on all the others in the nearby.
And also, why are there so many workers? So why are the police hitting and all? And they must be very poor. The prime ministers could give them some small type of hut or something that can be in there.
The workers are called different type. Organized worker who works in a big industry with a permanent job. There are temporary unorganized workers. And there are migrant labor. Migrant labor are the people who come from distant places, from other states. For example, like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh. They come to Telangana, Andhra, Chennai, Bombay, and all these places. Because of the COVID-19, all the industries, everything was closed. Even the business was stopped. Most of them are street vendors. So there were no money to eat. They don't have their own places. So that is why they wanted to go back. They were working. They will not stay here. They will work either at the place of the work or in their native places. So the government cannot arrange some huts for them where they are working and all that. But there is an important thing in your question, that why the workers are moving from one side to another? Because there is no employment for them in their native places. Because they are poor. They don't have any other income. So the poverty should be removed, and then only they will get their employment in their own native places. More land should be distributed to them. More industries in backward areas should be organized. And in between, the government should give free food grains to them. Universal food security scheme should be arranged, and some finances should be helped so that the poor will not suffer. There are, according to 2019 census accounts, 45 crores of people are moving from one place to another, out of which 15 million are children. So such a big section of the people are moving from one place to another place. So the poverty, that is the most important issue which the government should address.
Okay, and that's all for today. I wanted to ask you.
Okay.